If you fire Chiwenga, you've crossed our red line. We are ready to defend you. We can do the unimaginable. Citizens warn Uganda. Sadabna mashkobla tukapana pana Isaac Makomich. Achipamba warnings to the Uganda faction. Achiti, if you destroy, if you fire, VP Kosano Chiwenga, how are you have crossed the headline. Pangwana achiti tiamirana General Chiwenga no matter what. Sadabna mashkobla tukapangwa Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibita Payendo, Yama Komich, Rachiti. Citizens across the country, whether ZANU-PF or opposition supporters, are saying they are ready to risk it all if Uganda influence Chiwenga's dismissal. In the ZANU-PF social media groups, people are saying they are ready to do the unimaginable if Chiwenga is fired or dismissed. One person commented it in a group and said, "We are only exercising patience because Chiwenga is our hope and he is still in government. But once he is fired, it will mean our future is doomed and we will risk it all." The comment triggered a lot of engagement, and in almost every WhatsApp group across the country, people started discussing the topic. Everyone was saying, ready to do the unimaginable. Political experts say that for Uganda to fall, they must make bad decisions that trigger the people. It is believed that citizens will rise against the Uganda. Doba developments are pangwa in support of VP Kosano Chiwenga, but any attempt to fire VP Kosano Chiwenga to challenge mass citizens, the unimaginable. But fighter for VP Kosano Chiwenga arukunuka kunze ewa general barubenda all these processes unconstitutional amendments ndezvimwe zvakadaro. Pina comment section medu zavhura enyu muri kundiva musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.